I'm Bryan with the HVAC School podcast, and I'm demonstrating the Testo Smart Probes kit with a new case that can not only hold the refrigeration smart probes, but also some other probes like the 405i, hot wire, in-duct anemometer that we can use to measure airflow within a duct. So to measure volume flow inside the duct, the easiest way for a typical residential like commercial technician to do this is using a time traverse. Now, if you don't have experience doing a full log Chevy Chef traverse, you're going to want to look up an article of how exactly to do that. But we made 5 fairly equidistant ports into this duct. So we need to go into our configure measurement and make sure that we're using a timed average traverse and that we're set up for the proper length and width of this duct. And I went ahead and marked on here 20 by 14 inside that dimension. As we extend the hot wire fully, you have to make sure that the probe tip is open, and then you place it fully into the duct. And then you use the button on the handle to start the measurement. You slowly pull it out of the duct, holding it very flat and using the same pacing on all of the measurements. Place it all the way in the duct, hit the button again, pull it out slowly, hit it to stop, which pauses the measurement. All we have to do is go in and complete the average by pressing the button down at the bottom. It gives us our averaged out reading. And as you can see, we're measuring 755 CFM, and it also averages our air velocity at 388 feet per minute and our temperature. We've checked this with a couple different instruments, and that is very, very close. So this has been a presentation showing the new Testo Smart Probes kit and how you can use the hot wire anemometer to measure airflow in duct. Thanks for watching.